In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a file to Basecamp. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing your personal projects, uploading files to Basecamp is an essential skill that can streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Basecamp website by typing in basecamp.com in the address bar. This is the hub where all your projects live, and it's the starting point for everything you'll do in Basecamp. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that lists all your active projects. Next, you need to select the project to which you want to upload your file. Simply browse through your list of projects and click on the one you're interested in. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can manage different aspects of your project, from communication to file storage. Once you're on the project page, look for the plus icon. It's usually located at the top or in a prominent place on the screen, designed to catch your eye. Clicking on this plus icon will give you a drop-down menu with various options to add new items to your project. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Docs and Files. This is where all your documents and files related to the project are stored. Clicking on Docs and Files will take you to a new page dedicated to managing these files. You might notice that there are two places labeled Docs and Files in Basecamp, but don't worry, clicking the one from the drop-down menu is the correct choice here. Once you're on the Docs and Files page, you'll see an overview of all the files that have been uploaded to this project so far. Now, you need to click on the Add Files icon. This button is usually represented by a paperclip or a similar symbol and is your gateway to uploading new content. Clicking this icon will open up a File Explorer window, which allows you to browse through your computer's files. In this File Explorer window, navigate through your folders and find the specific file you wish to upload. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button. This action uploads the file to Basecamp, making it immediately available to everyone involved in the project. And there you have it. Your file is now uploaded to Basecamp, ready for your team to view or edit as needed. Remember, uploading files to Basecamp not only helps in keeping everyone on the same page, but also ensures that all your important documents are stored in one easily accessible place. This simple guide has shown you how to upload a file to Basecamp. With these steps, you can manage your projects more efficiently and focus on collaboration rather than logistics. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for help. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.